Hi guys and welcome. In this video, we will talk about ES6. JavaScript has had many versions over the years and ES6 is one of the JavaScript versions. As you can see, ES6 was released in 2015 and ES6 refers to version 6 of the ECMAScript programming language. If you're wondering what is ECMAScript, so ECMAScript is the standardized name for JavaScript. So these are some of the ES6 features. So variable creation using let and const, template strings, arrow functions, rest and spread operator, destructuring, some array functions, find and find index, classes, promises, and much more. Even today, a lot of features of ES6 are not supported by all the browsers. Some of these features might not work in your browser. So what do? We can use a preprocessor like Babel. Babel is mainly used to convert ES6 and above JavaScript versions code into a backward compatible version of JavaScript that can be run by older browsers. Let's check it out. So go to your Chrome and search for Babel. Open this first link, babeljs.io, and in the top bar there's a menu, try it out. Click on that. Okay, so as you can see, there's the left part and the right part. So when I write some ES6 code on the left, Babel will convert it to older version of JavaScript. So let's give it a try. So as you can see, I used this const keyword on the left hand side and it was converted to var. Similarly, on the left hand side, I created a function using arrow functions, and on the right hand side, it was converted to normal function keyword based function. Don't worry if you do not understand this ES6 code, we will learn all about it in the coming videos. Okay, so this is what Babel does, but how do we use it in our code? Well, the easiest way is CodePen, so let's give that a try. So go to CodePen and open a new pen. Click on the settings icon in your JavaScript section. As you can see, a pop-up appears and it has an option for JavaScript preprocessor. So click on this drop down and select Babel. Once you do that, click on the save and close. So now if you notice, right next to your JavaScript, in the brackets, Babel is written. So this just means that CodePen is using Babel to compile your JavaScript code. So this is how you can use Babel in CodePen to run ES6 and above versions of JavaScript. We aren't going to write any ES6 code in this video, but one thing to remember, CodePen's console misses a lot of errors. Say for example, I create a variable, so this is normal JavaScript, and when I print it like this, it should give us an error, but it did not. So if you inspect this and open the browser's console, as you can see, you're getting this error, reference error name 1 is not defined. So I would recommend you to use the browser's console to check errors at least until we learn a way to use Babel in our local code. In the coming videos, we will be learning about all these features along with some other features that we will use very frequently in React development. I will add a link to all the new features releases in ECMAScript versions. You can check it out if you like. And that's a wrap for today. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.